St. Bernard and Broad, and at the bus stop, just waiting for the bus. Somebody walked up on me and said, let's go. Pull out the sticks, and it was over. If you lost, because the people judge, and if you lost, then you lost your sticks. And let me tell you, my mother was a single parent raising 3 of us. She couldn't afford to be buying me no sticks. So I became a collector of sticks. I had some Kennedy sticks, some blue and gold, and blue and yellow. They was taped up nice and pretty. I had some purple and gold sticks. I had a whole collection of them. They kept coming around, so we just kept collecting. I had some green and gold sticks. So as a drummer, we always had to be ready. So the way I separated myself, there were a lot of good drummers in the city. A lot of good drummers. There were good drummers at St. Aug, there were good drummers at Kennedy, there were good drummers at Dumback, good drummers at Landry. There were good drummers all around the city. But there was one thing that a lot of them couldn't do, and a lot of them couldn't really do. So that's what I learned, that's what I made sure I learned how to do, was read some music. So after we drummed and we did all kinds of stick flips and all this stuff, and it was all tied up, I would just pull out a book, open it up, and say, okay, read that. And they couldn't do it. They couldn't do it. And sometimes I would pretend like I was reading, and not even playing on the page, and they didn't even know. So that's why it's important that you learn how to read music. If you want to separate yourself, that's something you can do. You know, so anybody who grew up in the 84 to 87 time frame, you know, when I was in the drum line, we all got nicknames. As soon as you walked in the door, they looked at you and they gave you a nickname. What was your nickname? Well, it started off Dirty Red. That was my nickname. And the reason why that is, I was about this color, the cameraman. And after being in the sun, I got probably his color. But the hair on my arm was a light color. So they said, you look dirty. And so I became Dirty Red. Our cymbal sectionist at the time, he walked in, he was skinny, and he was the new guy, so they called him Skidoo. He was skinny and new. So they combined and called him Skidoo. And to this day, that's what I call him, Skidoo, to this day. So after my freshman year, I dropped the dirty part and I just became D-Red. So that's who I am. After I graduated high school, I was in the Marine Corps, came back, I was talking to this guy, and he was talking to me about me and didn't even know it was me. He was like, this guy, Dirty Red, who played for 35? Yeah, I tore him up. And I'm like, I don't even know who you are. But if you want to go right now, you can. I still feel like six. So who's going to be my first victim?